Today's video regarding Canon Pixma TS3400 series printer. I'm going to show you how to do the print head alignment of this printer. Now the first step is to load A4 size sheets at the rear paper tray. Switch on your printer and go to your device. For example, I have iPhone here. Open the Canon Print app. So your printer must be connected and you can open your app and you can see the printer there. Click on the printer button here. And on the next screen you will see some options available, that is the utilities. So click on the utility section. On the next screen in the utilities you will see here cleaning, deep cleaning, print head alignment auto, print head alignment value, roller cleaning, bottom plate cleaning. So whatever type of cleaning you want you can do. And to do the print head alignment, simply click on this button and click yes as we have loaded A4 size sheet, and wait for the printer to do the print head alignment automatically. So here we can see we have printed this sheet, and just check the pattern on the sheet, and if you find all the patterns are good, just click on the yes button and it will give you the option to scan this page, and we have to place it down on the scanner and then we have to click on the yes button here. So simply open the top scanner lid, place it downwards, simply click on the yes button. Once our alignment is done, we have to just click on the OK button on the screen, and this way we can do the print head alignments. Thanks for watching.